Welcome back, my flavor fanatics. You're tuned in to Taste in a Flash with yours truly, Chef Felipe, the chef who's got more tricks up my apron than a magician at a birthday party. Today, we're diving into one of my absolute favorites, mackerel with green bananas. Yep, you heard that right. It's like a Caribbean party in your mouth and everyone's invited, no RSVP needed. Alright, first things first, let's talk about our star of the show, the mackerel. Grab yourself a pack of this oily happy fish. Now before we get all excited and start chomping, we need to soak that bad boy. Why? Because mackerel loves salt, like it's got a salty personality. But we love less salt, so we give it a good rinse. Rinse it like you're washing off last night's dance moves, several times. Make sure to wash away that salt like you're scrubbing away your ex's number from your phone, because nobody wants salty fish in their life, right? Once it's squeaky clean, we're gonna put the mackerel in a pot of boiling water. Yes, boiling water like a hot tub party for fish. Boil it for about 10 minutes. But here's the trick. While it's boiling, don't just sit there like a bump on a log. Change the water a couple of times. Yes, give that fish a spa day. Fresh water, fresh start. You want it tender, not swimming in salty old water. Nobody likes a fish that's been through an identity crisis. Now let's get to those flavor boosters, onions, onions, because what's life without a little tear-jerking goodness? Chop up a nice onion or two, just be prepared for the tears. Your eyes might start watering like you're watching a sad movie, but don't worry, you're just adding authentic Caribbean emotion to your dish. It's the onion's way of saying, I care, and while you're at it, grab some colorful peppers, red, yellow, orange, because we're not just making food, we're creating a rainbow on a plate. Toss in a medium tomato, because who doesn't love a little juicy goodness? And for a spicy kick, throw in a Scotch bonnet pepper. Just remember, don't toss in all those seeds like you're throwing confetti at a parade. We want flavor, not a fiery fireworks show in your mouth. And don't forget to add those onions, because they bring the drama and the flavor, all in one. When you toss them in the pan, they'll sizzle like a dance floor at a Caribbean carnival. Next, splash in a teaspoon of vinegar, just a touch, to brighten everything up. Add a quarter teaspoon of butter for that silky richness, and season with black pepper. Because sometimes, life needs a little spice, and so does your food. Put all those lovely ingredients in a saucepan and sauté them like you're hosting a tiny dance party, sizzle, pop, and all. Once your mackerel is tender and flaky, gently break it apart with a fork. No bones in the dance floor, please. Remove any bones like you're a treasure hunter digging for gold. Bones are not part of the treasure. Then, toss the mackerel into your sautéed veggie, onion and pepper mixture. Give it a good stir, like you're mixing up a magic potion, and voila, your mackerel is ready. Look at that, delicious, colorful, and full of flavor. Chef's kiss. But wait, hold your horses, we're not done yet. Now let's talk about the star sidekick, the humble green banana. You get about 6 medium-sized bananas. Yes, 6, because more banana means more fun. Start by cutting off both tips of each banana, like you're giving them a little haircut. Then, make a shallow line through the banana. Don't go all the way through, just enough to give it a little groove. Think of it as giving your banana a stylish new haircut. Next, drop those bananas into boiling water, hot, steamy, and ready to get their glow up. Add a teaspoon of butter if you're feeling fancy, and boil for about 8 minutes. But here's the trick, don't overcook. You want them soft enough to pierce with a fork, but not so soft they turn into banana pudding. Test it out, stick a fork in. If it slides in smoothly, you're golden. If it's too mushy, cook a little longer. If it holds its shape, you're done. And don't forget, if you're brave, try not to burn your tongue on the hot banana steam. That's a Caribbean rite of passage right there. And there you have it. Taste in a Flash with Chef Felipe. Mackerel with those colorful peppers, onions, and tender fish paired with perfectly boiled green bananas. It's a flavor explosion, a rainbow in your mouth, and a party in your belly, all in under 15 minutes. Remember, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tasty adventure. Until next time, stay delicious, stay happy, and keep tasting in a flash.